Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to create a terrarium centerpiece. This piece is great to add a bit more warmth to the table with the flickering lights. We usually use few different type of terrariums with different size and shapes just to add a bit more texture to the table. For the smaller pieces, you can use small LED candles like this, tea light candles, and you can just switch it on at the bottom. So this is safe for the event as well as it's longer lasting. And then for the larger holders, you can use pillar candles like this. Make sure that the height of the candle is suitable for your terrarium. So for example, if you put taller candle in shorter terrariums like this, it might look a bit odd compared to having it in a taller terrarium like this. And then same as the tea light candle, you can just switch it on at the bottom and then place it into the terrarium. So here we'll have 3 different kinds. So just the terrariums by itself, sometimes it's good for minimalistic decors, but if you want to add a bit more to it, you can also add in greenery to the piece. So I have a few different kind of greeneries here. So this is a garland, which is a lot easier to set up compared to smaller individual pieces. I'll show you how you can set it up. So when you design it, make sure that the end of the garland is hidden, just so the whole look is more seamless. And then you can wrap it around a few times, like this. You can also move the smaller terrarium into the piece like this, or have it outside of the garland. To make it look a bit more natural, you can also adjust the stems to have it straight up to add a bit more texture. Always take a step back to see if there's anything that you would like to adjust. But here we go. This is one of the design with the garland. And then another design is to use smaller stems of greens. So I have a few different sizes here. These are the smaller ones. You can also mix in different greenery types. So I have a eucalyptus stem here. And then the longer stems are great to add a bit more greenery without using too many stems on the table. So same as the garland, make sure the stem is hidden well. So you can bend it at the middle to hug the shape of the terrarium. Usually for the longer stems, I like to use right at the middle to cover all 3. And then the smaller pieces, you can add it in like this. When creating centerpiece like this, you should also consider everything else that will be placed on the table. If this is for a wedding, things like butter basket, bread basket, and then salt and pepper. So you wouldn't want it to have it too big. So I think at this time, the sizing of this is great, so we don't have to add this. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you learned a bit today on how to create terrarium centerpiece. I'll see you next time. Bye.